What was your thought process?
Well, it needed, since it would, this is bigger, so it would tip over. These two dimensions are 2 times bigger than the
Ah.
other. So then it had both weight on each side.
Fleet uses big engineering questions to allow students to explore STEM concepts and engage in STEM engineering. For example, our strong boat activity.
So why did you tape the water bottles to the side?
So it would make it harder from it to go to side to side.
Big engineering questions allow students to show grit and persistence while exploring STEM concepts. Students routinely surprise us with the depth of their understandings and the range of their solutions. Students work hard on these solutions, have troubles, find errors, and that's okay. They keep working, and get a better solution. We encourage you to try these activities, more fully described at fleetengineering.org. Allow students space to explore what works and what doesn't, then close the activity by asking, how did you find the solutions, and why did you make this decision? If you need any assistance, you can email fleet@navalengineers.org.